Welcome to DTS Model Builder. On this opening screen, you can upload either one or both arches, depending on your case. The software supports STL, OBJ, and POI file formats, compatible with most intraoral and desktop scanners. To upload your scan, simply click inside the upper jaw or the lower jaw box, depending on which arch you would like to load. When you select a file, a thumbnail preview will appear, allowing you to quickly verify that it's the correct scan before uploading.
On uploading the scan, the AI seamlessly identifies both the teeth and the gingiva automatically. All parts of the scan outside the highlighted green area will be trimmed. Zooming in and out of the scan can be accomplished using the center wheel of the mouse. To scroll the scan in any direction, press the center wheel of the mouse and move it in the desired direction. Ensure the scan is free of any holes or gaps. You can adjust the size of the highlighted area using the expand slider. Be certain to incorporate a portion of the gingiva within the selection. You can add or remove from the selection using the respective tools. The brush size of the Add, Remove tools can be adjusted using the sliders. The Select All tool chooses the complete scan, while the Clear All tool removes the entire selection. After finalizing the selection, the AI will proceed to trim and refine the scan boundaries for a smoother outcome. The duration of this process may vary, typically taking a few seconds depending on the speed of your system. Similarly, let's proceed with uploading the lower jaw scan.
Once the scans have been uploaded, press Next, which will take us to the alignment screen.
The AI has automatically identified the landmarks. Yellow points mark the molars. Red points should align with the canine cusp tips. And the blue point denotes the midline. Left-click on the points to adjust and refine their positions as needed. If automatic detection hasn't occurred, refer to the help guide on the right and manually mark the points by left-clicking. Ensure to follow the sequence indicated in the help tip while marking the points. Click the Done button. This will lead us to the second alignment screen, where we can enhance the position of the occlusal plane using the 3D control points.
Click Next to open the Model Builder screen. Adjust the base height as needed. You can choose to process the models either as solid or hollow, depending on your requirement. For hollow models, you can adjust the wall thickness. Additionally, you can add drain holes. Click Build or Next to start the model building process. Add text on the model as needed. Repeat the same steps for the lower jaw. Then, click Next and export the models in STL or OBJ format.